Going all the way to Moab.
This is the start of the White Rim Trail in Moab, Utah. You can see the switchbacks in the distance that descend 1,400 feet onto the White Rim.
Yeah, like right here, up ahead.
It's a 100-mile loop. I know people that do it in one day. Not me. Lisa is not a fan of big drops, so she stayed on top while I rode down to the rim and then back up. There were other vehicles on the road, including a Tesla and BMW. Probably rentals. You can see Dead Horse Point in the distance, which is where we were camped.